Hi guys, and thanks for coming to my YouTube channel Blender Ustad. In this video we'll create a simple bracelet in Blender 2.81 cycle. So let's get started. First of all, select all and delete it, and then shift A to add a simple plane and scale it up. Then shift A again and add a torus. This time we need to take care of two things. First of all, we need to make the major segment to 64. Okay, and then make the minor segment to 24. Okay, and now go to the modifier setting and add a decimate modifier with unsubdivide and make the error rotation to 1. Okay, now apply the modifier and grab the torus to a bit off, and then go and then press the numpad 1 and go to the edit mode, go to the face selection and double click on the face to select the loop, and again double click on this loop to select this kind of loop. Okay, so now press Ctrl I to make inverse, and then go for the selection, go here and make it individual origin, and then scale it a bit down. Now X and delete the faces and select all, go to the vertex selection, right click, make it smooth vertex, and repeat the section 2 times. Okay, we will grab it a little up, and then go to the modifier and add a solidify modifier to give it some thickness, and we will scale it a little at Z to make it a little larger. Now we need to add a subdivision modifier with level 2 and right click and make it shade smooth. Okay, and for the material I add a simple principal BSDF material with full metallic, and I increase the roughness and I add a simple golden color. And here is it. I hope you like it, and if you like, then please give me a like and subscribe to the channel for more videos.